Hi there, students. We're going to look at some more of these animal sounds that describe the way people speak. Croak, bray, bleat, crow, and to hiss. So to croak, a frog croaks. So to croak is to speak in a low, rasping, hoarse voice. I think I'm losing my voice. I'm losing my voice, he croaked. Okay, we can also use to croak to mean complain. He's always croaking about his problems. Oh, stop croaking. There's no significant problem. And we can also use the verb to croak, meaning an informal word meaning to die, but very informal. His grandmother croaked last week. She passed away, much more formal, but still fairly informal. Okay, the next one is to bray. To bray like a donkey. To hee-haw as well. But notice you can bray with laughter. He told some jokes and everybody was braying with laughter. You can also use to bray meaning to complain, but it sounds a bit stupid, boring, a bit pointless. He's been braying all day about how we need to improve our performance. But nobody listens to him when he's braying like that. So to bray like a donkey or an ass as well. Bray's got the idea of stupid, boring, pointless. The next one is to bleat. Bah! Like a goat or a sheep. Yeah? So the goats were bleating. But to bleat, a whining complaint. If somebody bleats, it's a bit pathetic. They're always bleating about their problems. They're complaining when it's not necessary. So you're criticising the fact that they are complaining. Look, stop bleating about the cold weather and just put on another coat or just get on with it. I don't want to hear any more bleating about this. Bah, bah. Okay, the next one, you probably know, is to crow like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Look at me, I'm fantastic, I'm brilliant, I'm the best. So a person can crow about their successes. They crow about how wonderful they are. They crow about all the wonderful things in their life. This is to show off, to tell everyone how fantastic you are. He's always crowing about how rich he is. He never stops crowing. If somebody's crowing, they're being proud, they're being a bit obnoxious, unpleasant as well, and you probably don't want to hear them crowing. He's still crowing about his victory, letting everyone know that he won. Okay, the next one is to hiss. Sss, like a snake. This is clearly very a strong onomatopoeia. So a hiss, it could be a hiss of the snake, or it could be steam or air escaping from somewhere. But we use to hiss meaning to condemn, to show disapproval, to show contempt or anger. If you continue to do that, I'm going to do something that you will regret, he hissed. If you do that again, I'll punish you. Yeah? So if somebody's hissing it, they are saying it's dangerous. Stop that. Yeah? It's like a warning. Stop. Don't go on. I'm not happy with this. I don't like this. Or maybe a crowd in a theatre can hiss. Sss. Yeah, we don't like this at all. So, to croak like a frog could mean to die, but also to complain. To bray like a donkey. He's always braying about his problems. Stupid complaining. It's boring. I don't want to hear any more about it. Bah! To bleat like a sheep. Pathetic complaining. Stop bleating. Yeah? Stop bleating about unimportant things. He was crowing about his success. Cock-a-doodle-doo, I'm fantastic. And then to hiss like a snake. Don't do that. He hissed. So, there you go. Notice these are all regular verbs. He croaked, he croaked, he has croaked. He brayed, he has brayed. He bleated, he has bleated. He crowed, he has crowed. He hissed, he has hissed. Let's see, what about formality? I would use these words when speaking or when writing an essay. I wouldn't use them in a formal document, a very formal document. But in something literary, artistic, writing, these are fantastic words to use. If you're giving a speech, these are great words to let fly. And let's see some origins. So, to crow, Old English, croan, yeah? From Proto-Indo-European, g. Okay. To cry hoarsely. To croak, crick, from Proto-Germanic, crick, Proto-Germanic word to croak. To bray, Proto-Indo-European word, breheg, meaning to fart or to stink. Yeah? To bleat. Yeah, like the goat. Proto-Germanic bletijan. And to hiss, well, there's a Middle English word hissen, but this is pure onomatopoeia. So there you go, some words for you to use. Yeah, try and use these in instead of weaker words. They'll add a lot of colour to your vocabulary. So I finished braying, I finished bleating, I finished crowing. I'm not going to hiss at you, and it's probably time for this video to croak to finish. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Croak, bray, bleat, crow and hiss. Bye for now.